Most gardeners go silent by the time December rolls in. Or do they? What if I told you there are flowers that secretly come alive when everything else fades? These mysterious late bloomers don't fear the frost, they thrive in it. Let's uncover 8 stunning flowers that dare to bloom through December and beyond. Winter pansies are the cheerful rebels of the cold season. When most blooms have disappeared, these colorful faces, blue, red, yellow, purple, and white, refuse to back down. Whether planted outdoors, in containers, or kept cozy indoors, they keep shining as long as they get enough sunlight and well-draining rich soil. They're proof that winter doesn't always have to be dull. Winter jasmine is one of those plants that seems to bloom out of pure defiance. From late November through the heart of winter, its bright yellow flowers burst open even before the leaves appear. It can sprawl beautifully as a shrub or climb gracefully as a vine. Give it some space and a bit of light, this plant doesn't mind the shade, but you'll see more blooms in the sun. Cyclamen is that winter companion that brightens up homes when frost sets in outside. Its delicate red, pink, or white petals rise above heart-shaped leaves, adding a touch of romance to cold December days. While it's compact and perfect for small spaces, it doesn't appreciate the chill, so keep it indoors where it can bloom from December all the way into spring. Christmas roses are like the secret keepers of the winter garden. They start blooming quietly in late fall and carry their beauty right through Christmas. Their creamy white waxy petals look gentle, but they're tougher than they seem, surviving even in frosty weather, perfect for bordering your pathways. They bring a peaceful charm to cold winter mornings. Snowdrops live up to their name, dainty white blooms shaped like frozen droplets that appear when snow still coats the ground. These fearless little flowers rise from the frost itself. Glowing against the cold earth, they love growing under trees where they can get the perfect mix of winter sun and summer shade, thriving in moist, fertile soil year after year. Autumn crocus may sound like a fall flower, but here's the twist. It sometimes saves its bloom for the deep winter months. Its large lavender-purple cups open boldly against barren winter landscapes. However, beware. Despite its beauty, this plant carries a hidden danger. It's highly toxic if ingested. One of those stunning blooms that's best admired from a distance. Fall daffodils with their bright golden or creamy white petals light up the cold with pure optimism. While they often bloom in autumn, warmer regions may see them waiting until December to show their full glory. They look a lot like crocus flowers but are harmless, growing happily in gritty sunlit soil. When everything else fades, these daffodils bring the sunshine back. Camellia is the elegant survivor of winter, a plant with large rose-like flowers that bloom in shades of pink, red, white, and sometimes even gold. Unlike most flowers, Camellia loves the shade and prefers calm over chaos. Keep it away from strong winds, and it'll reward you with blooms that can last for decades. It's one of those plants that age like fine wine, better and stronger with every winter. Winter doesn't have to mean the end of beauty, it's just the season when the bravest flowers reveal themselves. Which of these late bloomers will you grow to keep your garden alive through December and beyond? If you love discovering plants that break the rules of nature, make sure to subscribe to Flower Glossary and hit that like button for more blooming secrets.